Hi, I'm Dustin Williams, and I'm here on behalf of Expert Village at AA Callister's. And today we're going to talk about boots, specifically how to fit a boot. Now this here is a men's fitting system here. Real simple. What you do is you lay it on the ground, you have the person's right or left heel. It says right here, right or left heel, and you put it, and have them stand up. Put as much weight on it as possible, because your foot does spread and lengthen as you stand on it. You see it has markings here to tell what the length is. So if you stand on it, come over to here to a size 10, which is normal size for a man these days. You bring this little knobber up here, bring that towards the width of their foot. And you take this and you slide it over so it fits nice and snug across. And that'll give you the width. You look right here, it'll also give you some increments. And you look, so if he's a size 10 and let's say his foot's about that wide, it will tell you that he's a D width, which is standard for most men here. And this here will give you the length of your arch, not to mention your instep. Now these also come in men's and children's, which work in the exact same way, but most of them are different colors. And that's how you fit a boot.